Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then we have to find software information and localize a special number which is called build number, and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Confirm it by tapping on OK, and as you can see we've got this information. So now we can go back to the general list of the settings and scroll down, because the developer options will appear right under the About Phone. So let's simply tap on it, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can force the dark mode, we can show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking, etc. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and your device will immediately apply the feature. You can tap on it again to turn it off, and if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just tap on the switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen, just like that, and most of the options will be inactive. We cannot customize them, and after getting back to the general settings, you can see that the developer options will disappear, but of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.